Well, it's time to do a little repair job. Stick around and I'll show you what we're going to do. Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to my messy workshop. Like I said in the beginning, got a little repair job. Let's get at it. Here's what we're starting with. This is a grave marker. It's been sitting out in the weather for probably close to 20 years. I don't know what wood it's made out of. It could be just pine. I noticed that the roof is made out of plywood. I don't know if it's exterior plywood or just plain old regular plywood. But we're going to take the statue off. We're going to rebuild the stand and the shelter for it. And then we're going to put some finish on it and put it back out at the grave site. Well, it's all disassembled. These are all the parts. I'm going to end up replacing everything that's wood and just remounting the statue in a new enclosure. None of that wood is any good. So I'll get measuring, get cutting, and we'll see what we can come up with. Well, I have my pieces all cut and ready to assemble. So we'll just put some sealant on here, just a little bit. And I'm going to stick this next to a 2x4 to keep it square while I nail it. Next thing, we'll put a little glue on it and we'll attach the roof. I'm using Type Bond 2 because this is going to be outdoors. There we have the roof attached. Now we'll stick some glue in our dado. Stick our shelf in. Well, it's all put together. I got the stake on it. The way I attach the stake is I counterbored some holes through this 1-inch dowel and put some galvanized screws in the holes. After it's all finished in that, I'll stick some silicone or something in there to kind of protect that. But it's all ready for finish now. There it is with the finish on it. The finish is a weather-resistant, water-resistant, tinted stain. I got it at the big box store. That's what they recommend for outside use. Between the finish and the cedar that it's made out of, it should last quite a while. There's the finished project with a nice new cedar housing. I attached the statue to the housing with some urethane glue, so it should be there for many years to come. Now all I have to do is wait for spring when the frost leaves the ground and I can return it to the gravesite. Well, here's the final project. I'm really happy with the way it came out. And like I said before, now all I have to do is wait for spring when the ground thaws so I can put it back in its rightful place. I sure appreciate your taking the time to stick around and watch this video. And if you would, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I answer all my comments. And thanks again for watching.